Hi everyone, in this video I'm just going to show you how to swap your Ethereum mem tokens right here using the sushi swap. Meanwhile, a complete video guide has been made already concerning how to buy, sell, and how to perform other transactions right here on Uniswap, and the video is right at the video description. Go ahead and watch the video. If you want to know have a complete understanding about sushi swap, you have to watch that video. But right here I want to show you how to buy any Ethereum mem token, all right, or any Ethereum mem coin. Okay, so if you are new in this channel, kindly ensure you hit that subscribe button and turn on the notifications so that whenever I am dropping more videos regarding mem tokens that you should buy right here this year to make money from it, you will be notified on time. So without further ado, let's get started. First, to buy any Ethereum mem token, you have to first of all know the network on which that Ethereum mem token is built on. All right, when once you know the network on which that Ethereum mem coin you want to buy is built on, then you have to come over to where you have this select token right here. Okay, you click on this select token, you tap on it. Let's say I want to buy okay, when you tap on it, it's going to load up this page. Okay, then you go ahead and let's say I want to buy the Satoshi or Atos. I want to buy the Atos. Okay, since I know that Atos is already was built using on the Ethereum mainnet, I'll just come over right here where you have this. I have to change this to Ethereum. All right, I have to change it to Ethereum. Okay, because Atos was built on the Ethereum network. So I'll come over here to load up this, and once it shows you this right here, you go ahead and click on this. Okay, you go ahead and click on Ethereum. All right, and once you've clicked on Ethereum, meanwhile ensure that your network is very stable while you are doing this. Okay, so that you don't have any lapses. So you click on retry, select your Ethereum. After selecting your Ethereum network, it's going to load up this section. So as soon as it loads up this section, go ahead and you can now go ahead and select the mem coin that you want to be buying. Meanwhile, you can insert the contract address right here. In case someone sends you the contract address of the token, you can insert it right here, or you can just, if you know the name of the mem coin, you can come here and type it right here. Okay, so in this case I'll be typing Atos right here. Okay, so that'll be Atoshi, because I want to buy the Atoshi mem coin, and you can see that Atoshi is going to show up, and you can see here it has just showed up. So here you tap on it, you go ahead and tap on continue. After typing continue, it's going to show up. You can see Atoshi has just showed up right here, and you can see it is even showing up here is Ethereum, showing you, simply telling you that it is right on the Ethereum network. Okay, so you are good to go. Go ahead and insert the amount that you want to be buying. If it's 50%, if you have 50% of Ethereum, you have to come over here and insert 50%, and it's going to show up. Okay, or if you want to sell all your Ethereum or convert all your Ethereum to Atos, you come here and click on maximum. All right, so after clicking on that maximum, you go ahead and click on get started. Okay, meanwhile, this is the site that you are going to be using. Okay, you can either decide to download the app, or you can use this website. This is their official website to access the Uniswap ecosystem. I hope that is clear enough. Now I'll be dropping this link right at the video description. Go over to the video description and copy it. Go over to your MetaMask or your any Web3 wallet. Insert this in the browser section, and then go ahead with all the process that you've watched in this video. I hope that is clear enough. Now, after knowing that, you go ahead and click on your get started, and you select the amount that you want to be buying. Go ahead and click on get started, and it will you allow the transaction. Okay, then as soon as you click on this get started, you allow the transaction that you permit it. Okay, you permit the transactions. All right, then because after clicking on this get started, a new section will pop up where you grant the permission for this Ethereum to be swapped to the Atos token. Okay, so as soon as you go ahead and you click on that pop-up that will show, which is to grant the permission to swap, it is going to be swapped automatically to your Atos. What I'm saying is that the Ethereum right here is going to be swapped. The Ethereum that you have here is going to be swapped to the Atos token. Okay, so that's it, and then it will be deposited into your MetaMask or your Trust wallet. Okay, now that's how you swap. That's basically how you swap. Okay, now if you want to know know that the token has been deposited into your MetaMask wallet or your Web3 wallet or let's say your BitGet wallet or any Web3 wallet you have, you just go ahead and click on home. So it will take you back to home. So you click on it. As soon as you click on home, you can see your token is going to show up right here in your wallet. Okay, the meme token that you bought is going to show up right here in your wallet. I hope that is clear enough. Now, if you have any question, leave them in the comment section, and if this video was helpful, let me know in the comment section. See you in the next video.